My name is Mark Antoine.
My name is Leon.
My name is Michael Urey. I'm Lennon Hughes and we're from Central Junior High. Alright, the first thing that we did was make a sketch of the school to help us find the different ways that we could better enhance the school. We did this by using SketchUp to give us a rough idea of what the school would look like. We would make a real model out of different materials such as foam board and cardboard paper. When we were doing the sketch, we thought of many ways that we could add to the school to make it more environmentally friendly. We could accomplish this by adding solar panels, green walls, green roofs, and using materials that could be recycled if needed to be changed. Bamboo would be used to make stairs and be fit all around the school. The green walls are inside and outside of the school to provide scenery and more. On top of the roof, there is also a green roof. Another thing that we could use, we did with the roof to help make this school more environmentally friendly is to add a garden on top of the school's roof that would provide the school with fresh fruit and vegetables. This school would have 2 floors, so classes would be bigger and make the students feel less crowded in the schools. Another feature is that the school has solar panels on the top of the roof, that would help provide energy. Having solar panels would help if there is a shortage of power in the school's energy, and we wouldn't have to change a thing about learning.
Okay, the school has green walls inside and outside of the school. Green wall would benefit the school by filtering the air, decreasing noise, and making the building more fire resistant. If the plants stay watered, the green wall would be filtering the air inside and outside of the building because it will be making CO2 and releasing oxygen inside of the building. Another thing that the green wall would benefit the school would be reducing the noise level in the hallways so that students inside the classroom can't hear the students being noisy. The green walls outside and inside would reduce the temperature of the school because vegetation absorbs large amount of solar radiation. The green walls in the majority of new buildings have been designed to prevent the internal environment of a building from being completely overtaken from the external weather conditions that would protect the building from heavy rainwater and storms. It helps the indoor climate by reducing CO2 level, noise level, and air pollution attainment. A green roof would benefit the school by reducing the heat inside of the school, absorbing rainwater, helping air quality, and adding another layer of insulation. This would reduce the heat from the building and would help with saving energy in case of a storm taking power out. Since the green roof is lowering the temperature, this would help the air quality because it would be reducing the amount of pollution in the air. The extra layer that the green roof provided is part of the reason why it makes the school cooler. It reduces the amount of heat that it is able to pass through the school, which would be reason why it would save energy. The green roof could also be used for students to go on top of the roof to study and get their work done during school hours.
The school has a football field and track. This is so we can have a variety of elective and facility position. The football field and track could be used for school events. This is just sports, example, as large school assembly, outdoor physical education, and more. The model is set to scale, as you can see on the sides of the school compared to the football field. We will be using bamboo for most of the wood inside and outside of the school. Bamboo is a really good natural resource and is very strong for a building material. In fact, bamboo is a high tensile strength than steel. Living would be we would plant bamboo outside of the school, and this could be used for class such as agriculture and much more.
The interior of the school is meant to make the students feel less crowded. This is done by making the ceilings taller, making the rooms bigger, and adding scenery and plants to make the rooms feel more natural. We interviewed the different students in the school, and 90% of 50 students wanted to have larger space and better environment for the school. This proves that students would prefer the different environments. So, for the first floor, we have the basic classrooms and different electives. One of the things that we added to the school, which would make it more environmentally friendly, is we have green walls, as you can see over here on the paper. We have green walls on the inside and outside. We also have an outdoor area in the middle, so students can go out and study and even have classrooms outdoors. This is the second floor. The second floor has different classrooms than the first floor, and you could walk out from the indoor to the second or first floor roof. And over here we have a green room where different plants and vegetables could be grown. On this paper is the SketchUp model, and these are the different places in the school. Here is an outdoor garden next to the cafeteria and different elective rooms. This is an overhead view of just the first floor. This is the second floor, and these are the different green walls shown throughout the first and